YouTuber are you?
What? Why did it turned off?
This is a better camera.
I do need a new camera. Could have sworn I hit the button to turn it on.
Hey, want me to get some of it?
Yeah.
Got giraffe. That's pretty cool.
Bradenton Lights.
You can go inside there. Big one.
Here you go. Here you go, please.
Look at the stands. What is that? Yeah, I couldn't see that either.
Yeah, probably. There.
Alright. See the Freedom Factory?
Outside.
Look at the scooter.
Hey, Dad, it's your color.
Oh. Again. Oh, it just died. Just turned off. Does the screen just black out? Is it still recording maybe?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Oh.
The screen turns off.
Oh, okay. The screen went to sleep. My bad.
You get the stacker.
Oh.
Crown Vic on the bottom.
That's a good race.
Can you see where I'm going?
We're getting pulled over.
That's really good trailer.
Danger Ranger? And this little thing, corn cob.
That's corn cob.
It's like a Plymouth Duster.
Yeah, Roman apples. And then you got the
Chopped, cut.
Nice corn cob, dude.
And then you have boats over here.
With a flat tire. Oh, the boats. Yeah, the jet boat.
The jet boats. Looks like water. It's kind of neat.
Didn't they put something in this, I could have sworn they put something in the racing truck too, the summit truck.
Yeah. That's where you got the.
Oh, that is. And that's about it.
Here we are, Freedom Factory, going into the little Christmas village. They put orange. I know Fiero is really beat up now.
It's a lot worse than it used to be.
Yeah, look at the front.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in just a few minutes, the area around you will come alive with the sensational sights and sounds of the Bradenton Holiday Lights Festival.
Holiday
Join
Lights
us
Festival.
And sing along as sparkling lights dance to some of your favorite holiday tunes. Due to
There's a
low
section
light
out.
levels during the show, please watch your steps and take
Even the car guy did Christmas song. But let's just start dancing to that.
Are they gonna do that one? Well, there's no other way to get in. Check this out. They did the whole bleachers. Uh-oh. Look at the sound. Oh, there's a train ride. Train ride. Oh, bungee jump over there. Huh? Yeah. A slide. It smells like the mall. Oh, there's a rock wall. Yeah, it smells like a carnival. We're gonna go. We're getting their food. We're looking. Here's a burnout pad. A tree.
Stress, holiday shopping, traffic.
Let's see.
Close my eyes.
I like the speakers in here.
Somewhere else, just like magic. My heart is a Christmas tree.
Chalk here, and somebody wrote this. Oh, there's another one here. There's just another play button, and then it says here sub to KG's Garage. Can't. All right.